Welcome back for another QNT price prediction analysis video, and in this video I will be giving you areas that QNT needs to continue holding above in the next coming hours, give you my pullback target areas, and also share out my long-term Elliot wave analysis that I'm expecting to play out once the bull market is here. And at the time of this recording, QNT is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also lost a significant area of support at around the $100 mark in a move that is now giving us a massive pullback to the lower side, even losing a significant area of support at around the $97.6 mark. And the next key area of support that we need to keep our eyes on lies at around the $90 mark. And basing my analysis on the Elliot wave structures, I want to give you areas that we need to continue holding above in the next coming hours. And by first giving you a recap of what has been happening over the past few weeks, you can see that after seeing our low at around the $84.5 mark, we saw much of a consolidation. Then we finally saw this breakout to the upper side, giving us a high above the $110 mark, completing the formation of this at the first wave. We started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and the minimum pullback target areas for the second wave can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.78 as a maximum, and that is between the $101.8 mark and the $90 mark, which is the area that I have highlighted on the charts using this retarget area. And you can see that at the time of this recording, we are seeing a pullback into the area, and there are chances that in the next coming hours we are going to fully maximize this retarget area, have a low in place for the second wave, and maybe after a day or maybe 2 days we can see another reversal to the upper side, breaking above significant areas of resistances, and continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices here on the QNT chart. So for now, we have to continue expecting further pullback into this target area over here, and we need to continue holding above the $90 mark, because if by any chance we lose the $90 mark, there are chances that we can easily see a reset of the lows that we made at around the $84.5 mark. Jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis that I'm expecting to play out once the bull market is here. If I zoom out, you can see that back in 2020, QNT gave us a low at around the $100 mark before taking us to all-time highs above the $429 mark in a move that gave us a 4x to the upper side. And after seeing the all-time high, we started a bear market where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure, giving us a bear market low at around the $40.1 mark. And after seeing the bear market low, we continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that we first peaked in a 5-wave structure over here, having the wave 5 giving us a high above the $229 mark, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that gave us a pullback into this minimum target area for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using the red target area, fully maximizing the area, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and QNT is now ready for a massive pump in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's, the trend-based Fibonacci, from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618 and that is at around the $386.6 mark, which is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term and also on the long term, and those are my pullback target areas. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.